How you doing, Mr. CD?
Hey, how's it going?
It's good.
We all have the common love for Walltown, this neighborhood, and for Urban Hope and the people and the kids.
Only once a year?
I told you.
You didn't tell me you only had it once a year.
Yes, I did.
Why would I move away to help other people that I don't know when there's people that I do know that needs help? It's not like somebody coming from the outside, I'm coming to fix you, or I'm coming to work on you. I'm your brother. I grew up the same way you grew up. I grew up in the same community that you grew up in.
I like to walk.
It's really community-based.
I saw you look.
When we say safe places, what we're talking about are really safe relationships, places where kids know that there are adults and peers who value them.
Well, you had to be meeting him?
A couple of times a week, Robert mentors a group of young boys, Aaron, Maurice, and Daniel, and they get to hang out, they get to work on tutoring.
They don't know.
What field trip you go to?
Video place.
I saw a drink.
Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. That was way back in 1963 when I was just 13 years old. At that time, I was already in the movement, the civil rights movement. Turn the other cheek. Do not fight back. Don't worry about
Kind of a big brother in the neighborhood who they can look up to and see someone who's at that next level, and so they can know that for themselves it can also become a reality. One of the things we've really been trying to do is to figure out ways to measure our impact. We wanted the team from DISI to come in and take a look at the different activities that we had, take a look at our goals, what our values were, and to come up with a tool, a way for us to track how many kids are participating every year, what kinds of activities they're participating in, and what kind of benefits are they receiving, what's the impact of those activities, to really see if what we're doing, works. It doesn't matter. Is it really making a difference?
So you gotta read this and do this?
They actually didn't have any numbers, any data to measure the impact that they were having on the community. So we helped them build a program that would allow them to do that. We came in, we analyzed all of the programs that they had. We asked them what their vision was, what results meant to them, like what success meant to them. We quantified ways that we could put those into numbers. So for example, we started tracking attendance. We started tracking people who were coming back on a daily basis. We tracked if a sibling was attending the program, were their siblings attending it next year? When you only have 3 people, it's really tough to start getting into the nitty-gritty of the numbers and measuring data and how effective you are. But in order for such small teams to grow, they need to be able to get more funding, and it's hard to get investors or funders to grant you money to expand your program. They need numbers, they need results, and so that's what we help them do.
Look, take it and throw it like just like barely over it so you can stand right next to it.
Our founding director was someone who mentored me when I was an intern in the organization. Then I had the opportunity to mentor Robert, and then Robert's now having the opportunity to mentor other young folks in the community. And so this is something that we know if they catch hold of that vision and continue this work in their own lives wherever they go, not even just in Walltown, but beyond Walltown, that they'll think about that time in Urban Hope where they had safe places, where they had an adult who cared about them, and they'll want to pass that on. And so I think for us, that's really the vision, is to see this multiplication of people who are invested in investing in others.
Business people do business. Musicians make music.
It was overall a really, really great experience, and it reminded me why I'm here, why I want to be in education policy. Sometimes in school you get so removed from the community and the folks that you're actually helping, so to be able to have this experience was really great for them and also for me personally.
It's amazing seeing the change and growth. I'm just happy.